The Turkey Lake Supercharger is on a toll road, so in our case, it's going to cost us $1. You could be different depending on where you get on the turnpike. Yep. Oh, then push the big button. There we go. So it's a middle exit to the Turkey Lake Supercharger. It's in the Service Plaza. Navigation on autopilot seems to have it. It freaked out a little bit because there was a Model 3 coming up fast. Oh look, solar panels. They had a Model 3 that was coming up fast, and it did that thing where it's too cautious about making the lane change, which is super annoying. But I guess they'll fix that. But Mad Max, you think if there's space and it fits, it would just go. If this is on your route, I have to give it full marks for convenience because it's right on the road. It's on the south side. So if you're going north, you need to be very careful when you exit. All right, the six stall supercharger is a pull-in style, and they are narrow. And angled. This is the handicap stall. Sorry, disabled parking. Here, you hold this. The two stalls next to that are 30-minute shared, and then the last three are Tesla exclusive. The layout is traditional. 3A and 3B are next to each other, etc. I hate the pull-in stalls. They require way too much effort. Well, at least these variety. This is another variety where they're all lined up together. I don't know how many of them are on the East Coast, but when I see one, I'll point it out and I'll be happy. All right, let's get out, plug in, and then set our route, and we'll see you on the flip side. It's a turnpike, so you got restrooms, and it's open 24 hours. Always a plus. Little record going in, and if it's easy enough, we'll record going in, and if it's easy enough, we will do a time lapse of how to find the restrooms, but I imagine it'll be signed up pretty well. See you soon. Wendy's has a nice promotion where if you donated to their charity, they give you these little key tags, and they're good for one free Junior Frosty every visit at participating locations. So we'll see if this one participates. The Turkey Lake Supercharger in Florida on the Florida Turnpike outside of Orlando, I give it an 8 out of 10. It's right on the turnpike, right where you need it. It's open 24 hours. It's got a decent selection of food, and if the restaurants are closed, it does have a shop, and they do have food in their shop, as well as as well as stuff like Advil or Tylenol, stuff for headache, or tissues, little candies. So it's like a super small version of a gas station shop. And then there is a Shell station right over here as well that might be open. Well, they will be open, but I don't know if the inside will be open. And then they'll have more of a convenience store in there as well. And this has been the Turkey Lake Supercharger in Orlando, Florida. 8 out of 10 stars. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to ask you to please like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and once you do subscribe, ring the bell. That'll help out the channel, and it'll also let you know every time that we post a new video. Thank you very much. Fun fact, the Turkey Lake Supercharger's Wendy's does not accept the coupon, so if you have one, don't bring it in.